Good morning. I would like to buy a ticket to Manchester, please.
Good morning. I can certainly help you with that. Are you looking for a single ticket or a return ticket?
A return ticket, please. I am staying there for a short visit.
Of course. And when exactly would you like to travel?
I want to leave today sometime after 1 p.m. and I plan to come back tomorrow evening around 6 or 7 p.m.
Let me check the schedule on my monitor. Okay, we have a fast train leaving at 2:15 p.m. today. For your return journey tomorrow, there is a convenient train at 6:30 p.m. Does that schedule work for you?
Yes, that sounds perfect. Can you tell me how long the journey takes? I have an appointment in the evening.
The journey takes approximately 2 hours and 10 minutes. It is a direct train, so you don't need to change trains or wait at any other stations.
That is very convenient. Is it possible to reserve a specific seat? I prefer to sit at a table so I can use my laptop.
Yes, I can reserve a table seat for you at no extra cost. Would you like a quiet carriage or a regular one?
A quiet carriage would be great, thank you. How much is the total price for the return ticket?
A standard return ticket is £85. However, do you have any type of rail card for a discount? For example, a student, senior, or family rail card.
Yes, actually, I have my student rail card right here.
Excellent! That gives you a big discount. With the rail card, the total price is now £56 and 10 pence. How would you like to pay for that today?
I will pay by card, please.
Thank you. Here are your tickets. One for today and one for tomorrow. Please keep them safe. Your train today leaves from platform 7. You can see the big electronic board in the main hall for any last-minute updates.
Platform 7, I see. Thank you very much for all your help and for finding me a table seat.
It was my pleasure. I hope you have a very pleasant and safe journey to Manchester.
Thank you. Have a good day.